My name is Mary C. Niels, and I'll never forget the day I died in 1999. I was on a kayaking trip in Chile with my husband when a strong current swept me away. Trapped underwater and unable to escape, I felt my life slipping away as my body began to shut down. In that moment of impending death, a profound peace washed over me. I was no longer afraid or in pain. I found myself in a beautiful, serene place, surrounded by a brilliant light and filled with an overwhelming sense of love and joy. I saw my deceased loved ones, my father, my grandmother, smiling at me, welcoming me with open arms. Then I saw Jesus standing beside me. He held my hand and spoke in a voice both gentle and powerful, telling me that I was loved, valued, and part of a larger universe. He assured me that my life on earth was not over and that I still had work to do. As I stood with him, I was shown a glimpse of the future, my children growing up, the challenges and triumphs that lay ahead, and a world that shone with a renewed beauty and wonder. Then Jesus gave me a choice to stay in that magnificent realm or return to my body and continue my earthly journey. Knowing I had a family to care for and a mission to fulfill, I chose to return. When I opened my eyes, I saw my husband and children beside me, and I knew I was home. This experience changed my perspective on life and death, filling me with a deep sense of purpose and a commitment to live every day with love and compassion. Say, I love Jesus in the comments.